Hi everyone, Rene here with the American School of Hypnosis, and in today's video I'd like to speak to you about how to heal yourself at your own pace. Wouldn't that be great if you could heal yourself quicker than normally? And I'm going to show you how in just a moment. But before I do, if you're new to this channel, I'd like to invite you to subscribe so that way when we have new videos, you'll be notified immediately and you can learn and grow. And also, I wanted to invite you to attend our next hypnosis certification training. We have a live training coming on Zoom, so it'll be online Zoom that you can attend from any internet capable device. It's only 6 days on 3 separate weekends, and it's all recorded. So if you can't make a day or two, it's recorded so you can catch up. So go ahead and click on the link below this video to learn about our next upcoming hypnosis certification training. You can use it for yourself, you can start a business, but either way, if you take this course, I guarantee it will change your life. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. How can you heal yourself or recover at a quicker pace? Now, before we get going, keep in mind that I am not a medical practitioner. I am a hypnotherapist. So before you do anything of a clinical or medical nature, speak to your doctor first to get their permission. Hypnosis is not a replacement for your medical treatment. It's just something that can help you. So with that said, what I want to speak to you about is your immune system. The problem is most people don't know how to work or operate their own immune system, but you can. Here's the situation. The average person lives about 80% of their life in a state of stress. Now, the important thing to understand is that when you're stressed, your immune system shuts down. When you're stressed, not only does your immune system shut down, but you get into what they call the fight or flight mode. You can kind of associate this with like being a primitive caveman. He becomes stressed because he's being attacked by a saber-toothed tiger, so he doesn't need his immune system. He needs to fight or flight. So that's why that kicks in. So he has added strength to be able to fight the tiger or the speed to be able to run away. Now, once the threat is gone and he calms down, he can then open his immune system and begin to heal himself. And with your immune system comes your frontal lobe, your original thinking. So he can start thinking, what can I do so this won't happen again? But when you become stressed, your original thinking and your immune system shuts down and you go into the fight or flight. You're run by all your programs. Matter of fact, the majority of your programs make the majority of your decisions today. When something happens, you make decisions from your past, from your experiences, from your emotions. Very few decisions are made from original thinking because you have to be in a state of no stress. But not only that, now here's the key, okay? To become stressed is an action, is a verb. To open your immune system is also an action, is to open your immune system. So just the lack of stress does not mean the opening of your immune system. The lack of stress is neutral. So look at it as a traffic light. Okay, green light is healing your immune system. Yellow is neutral, nothing's happening, you're just sitting there. Red is your fight or flight. So you spend 80% of your life, and that's the average person, in a state of a red light. So no healing, no nothing. That's not too good if you think of it, especially if you're sick. You want to heal as much as possible. Then you stop being stressed, you're yellow. So what can you do to become green, to open your immune system, to heal quicker, to recover from whatever you're trying to recover from and just feel better? Well, there's a few things. Number one, just going outside for a walk. Going outside in the sun for 10 minutes. Okay, make sure you wear your sunscreen, but going outside for a walk for about 10 minutes will open your immune system. Humor, okay? Watching comedies, doing something that makes you laugh, telling jokes, hanging out with friends, maybe playing with little children, as long as they're happy little children, because I imagine if they're crying and screaming and kicking the whole time, I mean, you still love them, but it might cause a little stress. So happy little children. Playing with animals. Again, happy little animals. A growling dog is not going to help you, okay? But playing with kittens and puppies. So there are things you can do. Smiling. Just being happy. Deep breathing. Meditation. Hypnosis. Hypnosis is a great one to open the immune system. So if you start to think of it, there's a lot of things that you can do that can open your immune system. Playing music, enjoyable, relaxing music can open your immune system. So now that you know that, think of what you can do in the course of a day that can help you to open your immune system more than it is already. Can you play relaxing music while you're working? So instead of being stressed, maybe you can stop once in a while. Can you disconnect once in a while? How often in the course of a day do you disconnect? What do I mean by that? Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and just meditate or use self-hypnosis. How many times do you do that? If you did that 2 or 3 times a day, maybe 5-10 minutes, it would be wonderful. How many times in the course of a day do you get up and just go for a walk around the building? Go outside and walk through the grass, smell the flowers. Those kind of things will make a difference. Or even look into a mirror with a big smile and say something positive. You're a wonderful person. I like you. Those kind of things will open your immune system and help you to feel better and to recover. So, stress shuts your immune system and does not help your health. The lack of stress is neutral, and doing something positive like going out in the sun, playing with animals, being relaxed and happy, open your immune system. So think about the things you can do to open your immune system. I wish you the best of success in your healing process. If you'd like to learn more about this and how you can help yourself using your mind through hypnosis and just understanding yourself better, click on the link below this video and learn more about how to do hypnosis. We have hypnosis training courses coming up really soon, and we even have a 446-page hypnosis manual, which will help you to learn more about yourself. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you found this to help you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.